Hello crafters and paper artisans, it's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I am here for the Hey Girl Hey collab. It is April 4th, a historic day, a beautiful day. It's springtime and the day before Easter this year. So I am here to share the collaboration that I'm doing with Left-Handed Crafter, and we are posting things that we've made with women, female, Hey Girl Hey stamps. And this is always a really hard stamp for me to use because it's so many layers. It is called the Color Layering Flower Power from Hero Art's Unity collection. And I love the stamp. Of course, you know, when you saw it on the website, it was just beautiful. But it does give you the steps to stamp, and I still can never quite get it to look like I want it to look. Anyway, so I think I did better this time than the last time. The second thing is that I just don't really have good stamps for skin tone, so I need to work on that. Trying to find some good skin tone browns and beige and, you know, that kind of thing. Anyway, I have the coordinating die, and so I used my sheet load sketch this month, and because I decided I was going to do like April showers, bring May flowers, and then I ended up stamping her in the pinks and the purples, and so I just decided to use her instead of this circle here. Instead of this circle, I did move her up a little higher because I was going to use a different stamp at the bottom. I mean, not stamp, a different die, but it was still too big even when I moved her up. So I just went with a different die. And so anyway, so I put my sentiment inside. I cut it a little too short, so I added some, like, I guess it's like bric-a-brac die, border die. And so this is my flower layering, flower power, Unity collection girl for my Hey Girl Hey collection, for my Hey Girl Hey collaboration. This will be a short video. I did one card, one girl. I was gonna do two girls, and I need to find a video because I think I'm doing something wrong. And then of course my paper shifted on me, and so I ended up with that space in there. I guess I'll see if I have a marker that's close to the color and try to fill in a little bit before I send this card out. And I think I'm going to add some jimmies somewhere as well. But this is what I got done, and I'm going to keep playing with this stamp because I like it. I just need to figure out what's what. And then I realized I ended up pressing too hard on the eyes, and so it almost looks like she's got glasses on. So I am going to fool around and see if I have a marker that I can touch up this stamp with. And again, I'll just keep playing until I perfect it, and then I'll be so excited about Left-Handed Crafter and see what she created. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.